This short guide explains how to buy shares of Air New Zealand Ltd and confirms the search phrase, how to buy shares of Air New Zealand Ltd. The company is a New Zealand-based airline listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker AIZ.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by submitting an identity document and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AIZ.ASX to find the listing. Confirm you've located the correct Air New Zealand stock on CBOE AUS before proceeding. On the stock page, you'll see a brief company summary and a price chart that shows recent trading. Double-check the company details and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To place an order, choose the Invest option. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or set to execute when trading opens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. For the example link and more information, find the link in the description.